Hey guys, this is a program question which we are trying to solve in Python. So the question is like write a Python program to swap two elements in a list. So this question can be solved in two ways. The first one is with a temporary variable and the second one is without a temporary variable. So we'll try to solve in both the methods. So let's just take the first one where we're solving it with a temporary variable. Let's initialize a list. Let's say the list contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we have to take input from the user for position 1 and position 2. So in position 1, we have to take input position 1. The next int input position 2. So here we are using temp. So we'll say temp is equal to list of position. Since we are giving position rather than the element that needs to be swapped, so here we are placing the value that is present at the position in the list to the temporary variable. Then for the same position 1, we will place the value which is at the position 2. Next, list of position 2 will be equal to temp. So let's just take an example here to understand it more clearly. So we'll say A is equal to, okay, the position of first one is equal to 2. Now since the index starts with 0 in a list, so the first element is at 0, then 1, then 2. So here to make it easy, I've just taken it from 0. So the list at the index 2 will have the element, let's say A, or okay, so here let's just take it as position 1 is equal to what? 2. Then here we'll say that position 2 which is equal to, for example, 4 will also have the value as 4. So here list of position 1 is also equal to 2. And then here if position 2 is equal to 4, then list of 2 of position 2 is also equal to 4. For simplicity, let's just take A is equal to 2, then B is equal to 4. So we're just taking a temp is equal to position 1, the content in the position 1 which is 2. The second line will say that the element that is present in the position 1 should have the value of element that's present in the list of position 2. So here value of A should be equal to B, that is A is equal to 4. Then the third line will say that the value at position 2, that is B, should be equal to temp. Here temp is 2. So finally we can say that A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2. Whereas the initial state of A was 2 and B was 4. So here we have swapped the values. So let's just cross check it. Let's just print it, list, and let's run the program. Yeah, so position 1, let's just take with the example 2 and 4. So we can see that 2 and 4 are swapped. Now if you want to just clear the code or the output, you can just type CLS in VS Code. Then let's just take the second one where we are not using a temp variable. So it's just maths that we're trying to put here where we'll just say let's take an example A and B the same. Here let's go with the example so it can be easier. Let's say A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. Then let's say A is equal to A plus B. So A value will be equal to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. Then we'll say B is equal to A minus B. So then the value of B will be equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. So here we'll get the answer that B is equal to 2. Then the last line should be like A is equal to A minus B. Now we know that value of A was 6 and B now is changed to 4. So A is equal to A minus B will lead us to 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So the final answer is A is equal to 4. So here only we can see that the value of A and B is swapped again. So let's just implement it in code. We'll say list of position 1 is equal to list of, just a minute, yeah. So list of position 1 plus list of position 2. I'll just place it here. Then the next one is B. So list of position 2 is equal to list of position 1 minus list of position 2. Then list of position 1 is equal to list of position 1 minus list of position 2. Let's run the program. So 2 and 4. Yeah, you can see here that the list elements are again swapped. Thank you.